Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how CryptoSyncTron works, a powerful software that automatically finds access to wallets and transfers Tron and USDT rewards directly to your wallet. This isn't just another promise. It's a proven tool already used by hundreds of satisfied users who are earning real rewards every single day. You might be thinking, how is this even possible? Let me walk you through it. The process is straightforward. You download the software from link in comments, unpack the archive, and launch the start file. Inside, you'll find a text document with a password. Just enter it to activate the program. Once it's running, you choose your scanner's power level, set the scanning depth, decide whether to use your CPU or GPU, and input your Tron wallet address. That's it! The software takes care of the rest, scanning and transferring rewards to your wallet effortlessly. But don't just take my word for it. We've received countless positive reviews from users who've already benefited from CryptoSyncTron. They're earning real cryptocurrency. And now it's your turn to see how it works. Here's the best part. You can test the software for free for 1 full day. During your 24-hour trial, you'll experience firsthand how the software scans and transfers rewards to your wallet. This is your chance to see the results without any risk. But remember, the trial lasts only 1 day, so don't wait. Start testing it right away. If you love the results, and I'm confident you will, you can purchase a lifetime license for just $1,500, which includes lifelong support. But be careful. Only use the official link in the comments to avoid scams and fake versions.